Hello to all my subscribers and visitors. Thank you very much for joining me on another banknotes video. We're going to be looking at the South African Reserve Bank £10 banknote. These are a little bit more scarcer, the higher value denomination banknotes over the normal 10 shilling, £1, £5 banknotes. So these were limited print runs. This particular issue is under Mr. Posmus. He was in charge of Reserve Bank in South Africa from 1932 to 1945, so they had quite a long period of being in charge. Obviously, he as well oversaw the World War II crisis as far as the Reserve Bank. If we have a look here, we got the image here, very similar to the £5. If no one's had a look at the £5, have a look at the £5. A little eye is going to appear, and you'll see the title. Shoot across, click on that, and you can have a look at the other video. So we got South African Reserve Bank. It's done in brown. The print run itself was F1 and F2, so we've got this would have been the later of the period, being an F2. Let's have a closer look. So we've got, again, in very nice condition, considering its age, 1943, so this would have been issued during World War II. And we've got 596621. Quite a nice number there, serial number there. South African Reserve Bank. Obviously, you've got this frame, outer edging, £10, so that would have been equal to 10 sovereigns at that particular point. Excuse me. We've got the ship, watermark feature. Obviously, they've got the sun's rays coming out, not as pronounced because it's more brown. You've got the tin punt and £10, so you've got Afrikaans on the left, English on the right. 19th of April 1943. I promised to pay the bearer on demand at Pretoria, £10. Money back then was backed by gold, so all paper money in existence had to have, had to be offered a conversion back to gold. So if you wanted to, you can go back to Reserve Bank and say, "Excuse me, I want £10, please," and they would be able to give you gold. They had to hold gold to the amount of paper money that was in circulation. It was the whole point of having paper money back then anyway. We have a look at the back. So you've got £10 tin punt, so again English, predominantly Afrikaans. South African Reserve Bank, you've got the shield, the coat of arms, and then you've got State Afrikaanse Reserve Bank, and then you've got this frame again. This is the same size as the £5 banknote. The bigger ones, the 20 and the hundreds, that is something spectacular. But unfortunately, I don't have any of them. They're really scarce and they're really expensive. They were extremely limited. The £20 banknote was a blue, only printed in 1933, and there was only 50,000 banknotes that were released. And then the £100 banknote, which was in the same size as this one here. So you got a 177 millimeters by 97 millimeters, so 97 on the side, 177 across. Would have been done in a sort of a red finish, and English, predominantly Afrikaans. Very nice all the same. Let me know what you think below. Obviously, the watermark there would feature Jan van Riebeck. I'm still trying to see if I can tilt it a bit. You might be able to see his face there. There you go. There's the watermark. The metal threads were used as security features back then. The print run of the £10 banknote was only in 1943, so that was the only time that they did a print run of banknotes, was in 1943. So there was the £5 was the, I guess they must have found a requirement to print £10 banknotes, but the only banknotes in circulation were 10 shilling, £1, £5, £20 and £100. So interesting that they released the £10 banknotes. Thank you very much for watching as usual. Hit the comments below, hit the like button, subscribe. The button's here on the left, and then have a look at the other content on offer. And guys, thank you very much for taking your time out to watch this video. Have a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. Thank you, and see you on the next video.